How to fix your chat settings prevent you from sending messages in Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, check your account's age. Go ahead and open Roblox. Now, Roblox applies stricter privacy settings to accounts under 13, and if you are under 13, chat restrictions are often enabled by default. And if you are over 13, verify that your account age is correct by going to the More option on the left side toolbar and then tap on Settings, and further tap on Account Info and then tap on the Verify My Age option and verify your age by uploading the required documents. Second, adjust privacy settings. To enable chat, in Settings itself, go back and now tap on the Privacy option. Further, adjust the following settings. Set Experience Chat and Direct Chat to everyone, and go back and set Party Chat and Group Party Chat to friends. You can also try to clear cache and cookies if the issue is due to temporary glitch. Clear your browser's cache and cookies or reinstall the Roblox app. You can also try to restart your device and try again, as restarting the device fixes majority of minor issues on your application. So this is how you can fix your chat settings, prevent you from sending messages in Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.